Hey guys, so now we are going to skip count by fives. First, nice and simple. Let's just count by fives until we get to 50. All right, I'm going to do it with you this first time. We're counting by fives until we get to 50. When I say go, 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, good job. Now you're going to do it on your own. I'm not going to speak, but I will put my fingers up. When I say go, counting by fives until we get to 50. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Now, your challenge is to count by fives for 1 minute. You're just going to keep going. You're just going to keep adding fives. So let's think. We stopped when we got to 50. What would come next if we had kept going? So if I don't know this off the top of my head, I could think, all right, we stopped at 50. When I count by fives, I add 5 to each number. 50 plus 5 is 55. All right, I'm going to set this timer on my phone here for 1 minute. When I say go, you have 1 minute to count by fives until you can't go anymore. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, time's up. Okay, I got to 305. All right, I'm curious to hear what you got to. You can leave a comment on this Google Classroom post. All right, so you can say, when I counted by 5 for 1 minute, I got to this number. You don't have to. Now, remember, fluency helps our brains get stronger and it helps our brains also get faster. So it's important that you continue to practice. All right, good job, mathematicians.